is a HOMAK toolbox tour. Sorry about the noise, I am at work. This is the H2 Pro. Multimeter, Milwaukee Drill, Gearwrench drive, standard and metric, 3/8 drive, standard, metric, 1/2 inch drive, metric, and standard. Deep sockets and 3/4 drive in the back. Super long drawers. I love how long these drawers are. This is the Gearwrench Master Set. Pretty much every screwdriver you can imagine. Miscellaneous cutting tools here, deburring tools. I work in a sheet metal shop. Electrical stuff. I like Klein tools and Knipex. Knipex makes really good stuff. Drill bits, taps. We use cobalt drill bits here because of the stainless steel. With the big boys in the back. Right angle tight drill. These are rethreading taps or dies. I like Klein tool Allen wrenches and Torx. Really good quality stuff. This is for layout. Again, I work in a sheet metal shop. If you're gonna get a square, get a Starrett. Starrett's the best. It's a hardened blade on the Starretts. Got my wrenches here. Got Milwaukee's new wrenches here. They're quite nice. You got the serrated teeth. They grip really well. The old school Craftsman made in USA. This is the older Cobalt. They're actually made in USA. If you get the older ones, they're made in US. Pop rivet gun and assorted rivets. Trim tools for popping body panels. Assorted snips. Cable shears. Gotta have them vice grips. Emergency use only. Yeah, right. I use these for anything. Knipex again. These things are amazing. It's definitely worth buying the snap-on ratchets. Snap-on ratchets are awesome. They're worth the money. I wouldn't buy their other products like sockets and wrenches, but their ratchets are awesome. Big drawer. Tons of clamps. Humongous ones, smaller ones. Working sheet metal, gotta have a ton of clamps. Milwaukee, their grinders are amazing. Milwaukee products. For plug-ins, Milwaukee's are the best. Ingersoll Rand 1/2 inch drive impact gun. Got the old school Milwaukee cordless drill. The older ones are awesome. In case you're wondering if this thing will flip over with all the drawers out, it will not. Quite stable. It's not going nowhere. Built the little chemical tray for the back for all your sprays, whatnot. There's a couple of inserts built into the back of this. You just bolt it on. A little bonus, keep all my files here. Yeah, it's a lot of files, but sheet metal, gotta have files. Junk drawer. And these are hammers and mallets. Made in USA. Trusty Cook is a great dead blow hammer, and made in US. And of course the steel dead blow snap-on. It's a great hammer as well, can't go wrong. Then I have a brass hammer. That's just a Chinese one. Doesn't matter, it's just brass. That's it. Very nice toolbox. Super heavy duty.